Hello everybody, I'm getting ready to replace the thermal sensors on this Mitsubishi DLP rear projection TV. It's a great television, manufactured in 2006, it's now 2021. I got it for free from somebody on Craigslist in 2013 because it wasn't working. I replaced the thermal switch and the connector, and it's been working ever since. Lately it's been starting to act up. Specifically what happens is the TV is running fine for a while, shuts off, the red light down here turns on, and then when the red light turns off, you can actually restart the TV again and it works just fine. So I suspect it's a cooling issue. So the first thing I've done here to verify that is I put this box fan behind the TV right near the intake vents, and when I run this fan the TV doesn't shut off by itself. So that tells me I've got some kind of thermal cooling issue, either a thermal sensor or failed cooling fan or obstructed cooling fan. So I'm going to dig into the back of this and see if I can find out what the issue is. Let me tell you how you do this. There are 20 screws which hold the back cover onto the set. Also make sure you remove the 2 screws here. I would take the lamp cover off the back cover, and then I would remove the back cover. As I say, there are 20 screws in total. Once you do that, you're going to want to remove this air duct right here. I've already checked all the fans. The fans are all clean. There are 3 of them. There's one here, and then there's one back behind here connected to this harness. So remove 4 screws. 1, 2, 3, 4. Move those 4 screws. Release the little tab down here and up here, and the cover will come off. With the cover off, you can see that other fan right here. With that cover off, now you have to remove, I think, 3 more screws. One back in here, and then there's another one down in that corner. So you remove those 3 screws, and this air duct will come out, and now you'll be able to reach behind with your screwdriver and get a hold of this screw right there. From the back of this plate, either with a right angle screwdriver or a small screwdriver, but sort of reach around. You need to loosen that screw up in order to be able to drop the sensor out of the slot that it's in. So the sensor will slide down and then over to the left. Pay attention to how the fans are oriented. This particular fan blows air in that direction. So the fan's out. I've loosened the 3 screws that hold this ductwork in place. So it's out. Now's a good time to clean all your fans. All 3 of them, including this one right here. And now I'm going to reach around with my screwdriver on this side, get to that screw so that I can drop the sensor out. There's the screw. You definitely can't see that. Gonna slide the sensor down. Get my little red tape out of the way. There it is. There's my sensor. It's out. It has a lot of extra insulation on it. This is not the way most of the sensors look. So the correct way to install this is you slip the wires under the tab So this wire slipped from the left side to the right side, and then you pull the sensor up. I've got a lot of insulation on this, so it's going to be a little bit tight. But anyway, you can see it's sliding up. Slides all the way up into position, and then you have to put the screw back in on the back side. And then lastly, I'm going to solder. So there's no connector or plug. You cut off the connector and plug of the male and female. Make sure you're hard soldering the wires. That's where the big problem was with the original design. So take the two black wires. There's no polarity on the sensor. It's just a set of contacts. Solder those together and you'll be all set.